Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today, I'm doing a game with my little brother. It's where you honk the horn
every time when people walk by.
Don't forget, guys, if you guys are new here, my name is Paige, and this is my little brother Ben over here doing some weird stuff.
Paige, there's a guy coming.
So right now we have a guy coming. Like, he's over there.
Honk the horn. There's like more people coming.
There's more people coming too.
There's like
What the fuck? Okay,
and
so this time
if you don't know how to do it, just go in the car.
Go somewhere where there's like a lot of people at,
and
and lay down and honk the horn. So this time Ben's gonna do it. Okay, so we gotta find someone.
Okay, just tell me when people are coming. I will honk this shit. I will honk it.
I don't see one.
Wait till one comes out.
Yeah, it looks like we're gonna have to wait. But that's probably gonna be for a while. Oh, there's the car coming out. There's a car. There's a car.
Oh no.
Let's do that. They just like literally just ignored us. There's another car. Wait until they get out and go in the back of the car or in front. Make sure the doors are locked. Ben, they can still see you. Okay, there you go. So there's a car right there. Okay, just wait. Just wait. A little bit more. Wait till they go past us a little bit more. Ready, set, now. Okay, there's a family here next to us. There's a kid, there's some people here next to us.
Okay,
I wouldn't do it right now if I was you.
I'm not doing it.
Because then they would look at the car and probably smash the car. Let's do it with someone else.
Yeah.
Because they have a little kid too.
Yeah.
So I would feel bad.
Wait, that looks like Kian for a second.
Probably does.
Paige, look. Does it look like Kian?
Oh, look at the little kid. The little kid's cute.
Yeah.
No. I'll be right back. Boop. I'm back. So right now they're taking a little while to put groceries in the car. So let's see if we can find some other victims. Oh, Ben, there's a guy over here. Right there. Those guys look over here.
Jeff, coming.
Well, guys, this is the end of my vlog. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below what challenge you want me to do next. And that's it. See ya.